So see, this all are the functional area, and every functional area has domains, different domains, okay, for which we can give them the security access. For an example, let me show you any specific domain that you might have, any domain that, let me see. Okay. Let me do one thing, performance. See, related to performance, okay, we have functional area, and this functional area has this many domains. And for everything, we can set up the security, like who can check and who can do what. Okay, like development plan, okay, employee goals. Here, self-service is nothing but as an employee, okay, like everyone can do it. So for that, we have to define like self-service, like who all can do. Like for the setup calibration, like for an example, if you are not a set up goals, okay, I will open this because this is the one that we were doing and from where you were having some security issue. I will open this domain and I will see the domain policy, like who all can access this. So see, this all are security groups. See here, you can see implementer. They can view, they can modify. Talent administrator. So this all security group people can do like whatever you were showing that you were not able to do. So I'm not sure regarding the setup or the access that you have. Usually the implementer should have the access, but in your case, as you are not able to have access, so you can go and check here. So from here, you'll be able to do. So if in case if you want to add any access, but I won't suggest in the implementation, as this is your client's one, it's better. You should not change it. And this is how we can add any security groups, like in implementer's case, okay, like this is the practitioner. So there are so many that the people have created it, okay. So we can add the implementers. If we want to give only view access, we'll click on view. If we want to give modify access, we'll just click on both. And after that, we have to activate the policy. And one more thing that you can check, like what are all the things that is secured using this domain security policy. So you can see it from here, like configure goal template. So if you are not able to see this option, or if you're only able to see, so it means you have only view access, you do not have modify access. To access all this task, okay, and the reports that you can see, like this is a report, okay. So you should have the access. If you do not have the access, you will not be able to see anything. So if you have access, then only you'll be able to configure all these items, or else you will not be able to do it. And one more thing that I want to tell you, I am not sure whether you are. So whenever we make any change in the security policy, for an example, I have added this. Okay, I was not able to show you the alert that was populating here. Okay, let me read it. So for an example, whenever you add anything, okay, or whenever you remove anything, whenever you make any changes, it gives an alert. Activate your security policy changes using the activate pending security policy changes task and update the security evaluation movement. So what this says is, if you are making any changes, okay, in the security policy, if you just update it here, okay, it will not get effective. For that, you have to activate pending security policy. Okay, this is the task where you have to go. You have to define the comment, whatever you want. I am just testing right now. See, setup goals. This is the user, because this is the one I'm using. I have to confirm, like, okay, as this is related to security, this get cross verified, cross check. There is a 2 stages that Workday has set up to get the changes effective. And once I activate the security policy changes, then the changes will get effective.